Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is YAHMAD. In this video I'm going to be finishing off paper 2 from the CIE ICT IGCSE course. So we're doing a May-June 2019 paper, version 121, and in previous videos I've completed a document production, data manipulation, which is the database part, and a mail merge part of this paper as well. So we're going to be now focusing on presentations. So let's go down to the last part of this paper, page 11, okay, and task 5 is going to be presentation. You're going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting unless otherwise instructed. Slides should be formatted to display a title and a bulleted list. Okay, so that's that done. So what we're going to be doing is to create a presentation of 6 slides using a file j219litday.rtf. So before we do anything, I'm going to go to my source folder. I'm going to right click my mouse, select Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Doesn't matter what it's called for now, just open it up, or you can just open up PowerPoint from your start bar. It doesn't really matter which way you go about doing it. And what we want to do is to import this RTF file into PowerPoint. So you do this by going to File, Open, okay, and you want to go to Browse, and you go to your source folder, and what you need to do is click on All Files to display the RTF file. Let me double check. Yeah, so it's going to be j219 litday RTF, which is this file here. So make sure you do select all files, browse for your source folder, select the RTF file, double click or highlight and press open. It's up to you what you do. Enable editing. Okay, so we have 6 slides in total. Before I continue, I'm going to just save this into my source folder. Let's just write a name here, call it PRS for short, and save. Just in case my computer crashes, at least I've been saving my work. So that's that done. On slide 1, enter your name after the text presented by. So let's go to slide 1. Yep, so we want to enter our name here. Obviously you'd enter your name. So that's that done. Now we're going to use a master slide to display the following features on all slides. So since it's going to be on all slides, we're going to use a top layer in master slide. So if I go to View, Slide Master, here we have the different layouts, and since we're going to be applying all of the features to all of the slides, we can use the top slide. So for example, if I was to insert this little shape here, that star appears on all layouts. If I close the slide master, you can see it's appeared on all the slides and all of the different layouts. So since we want to ensure slide master elements appear on every slide, we can use a top level slide in slide master. So let's get rid of the star. So your name, center number, candidate number. So what we need to do is go to Insert, Head and Footer, and tick this box, okay, which is going to refer to this box here. And let's include the details. For center number, I'll use 5, 6, 7, 8, and for my candidate number, I'll use 1, 2, 3, 4. Apply to all. Automatic slide numbers. So let's go back to header and footer and tick this box here, which will be this, which will refer to this box down here in the bottom right. Apply to all. Okay, a call out box containing a text. So if you're not sure what a call out box is, what you can do, you can simply search here, call out box. Okay, so it's one of the shapes. Yep, here we go. We've got call out boxes down here at the bottom. Okay, so let's draw a call out box. And I want to make sure nothing is overlapping. So let's just move these here. So let me double check the question paper. Is there anywhere specific where they want this call out box to be positioned? No. So the call out box containing a text, a celebration day of reading and writing. So let me copy this. Let me edit this box. So if we right click, edit text, and I'm going to copy and paste. Obviously you'd have to write this text in since you don't have the electronic exam paper. In a large black font, the call out box must not be filled. So let's first of all make the text black. Increase the size of the font, and the box should have no fill. Okay, we can stick it in the top right corner. Okay, so that's that done now. What we can do is, if you wanted to move your name anywhere else, if you wanted to format your name to change the color, you can do if you wanted to. So if, let's say if you wanted to move the name to my top left, you can do as well. Okay, so that's fine, but it's not, I don't think it's asking us to move the name. No, so that's if it was, just in case it did ask you, that's how you would go about doing it. I'm just going to double check now. Right, so that's the slide master elements done. If I close the slide master elements, you can see on every slide we've got the call out box. We've got a name appearing at the top. So if you go to File, Print Preview, let's change it to Handout View. So you can see the box, the name appears on the top right of each page. And if you zoom in, hopefully you should see the slide numbers appearing at the bottom as well. Okay, so what's next to do? Format the last slide. So let's go to the last slide first of all. This slide here. So that a title slide layout is applied. So if I go to Layout and select Title Slide. Okay. The title and subtitle text are centered in the middle of the slide, so that's done by default once you apply that layout. Done. We're going to save the presentation and print the whole presentation as a handout with 2 slides per page. Okay, so what we need to do, let's get rid of this. We go to File, Print, and we want to print 2 slides per page, like this. So that's the first page. You can see the call out box. Nothing is overlapped. Yep, I'm happy with that. You can see the name on every slide. Yep, and that was the presentation task. So only 6 marks available, but make sure you pick up all of the marks for PowerPoint in particular, since it is one of the easier parts of this paper. Again, the reason for using a slide master is if you do something in slide master, it can be applied to all of your slides. So rather than doing something in one slide and copy and pasting it onto every slide, you do it once in the slide master and it's automatically applied to all of your slides. So once you're happy with the printout, you can send that to the printer. Always check for mistakes. Before you send it to the printer, make sure your name is appearing on every slide. You can zoom in to double check. Yeah, the name is here. Yeah, that's fine. If you wanted to make your name a little bit bigger, it's not asking you to do so. You can go back to Slide Master. Always go back to top slide, and you can increase the slide size of your candidate details here if you wanted to, so it's more visible when printing, but it's not necessary in this example. Okay, so that's the end of the presentation part, and then finally we print off the evidence document. So if I go to my evidence document, yep, we've come to the end. Before we print off, make sure you've included your details in the header. Go to Print Preview and check to see the print screens are nice and clear. Yeah, looks good to me. And send this to the printer as well. So we've come to the end of the May-June 2019 paper version 21. So paper 2 we've completed, which includes document production, which was Word, data manipulation, which was databases, mail merge, and presentations. So I hope these videos are useful to you. Please drop your comments below, please like and share the video, and hopefully I will be completing the 2019 videos in the next couple of days. Thanks again for your time.